So we have one last piece to the puzzle, and that is to create a music player that will play our background music throughout all of the scenes. So the first thing we need to do is remove this sound from the main camera. And so you just find your audio source. You're going to have a listener. You need to keep that listener in there. You need at least one listener in your project. So we're going to take the audio source and select the little cog here and select remove component. I might want to save everything just in case. We're just going to save our scene for now. And then we're going to add that empty object just like the level manager, but it's going to be a music player. So you're going to create an empty object and call this music player, and then add a C# script by the same name. Now when adding a script in this way, it does not default to the script folder. So you want to make sure you open your assets and move this to the scripts folder before you open it. So we're going to now open the scripts, select and open our music player script, which is going to open our mono develop. And once it opens the mono develop, we are going to add our script to it, which I just copied and pasted because I was having a little issue there. So I have here the music player. That's the public, the class. That's our script. And we're going to make it static. And we're going to make sure that it is awake. We want to make sure that it is awake, and that if it moves to another scene and tries to create a second music player, that it will self-destruct. But we don't want it to destroy itself on load. So I'm having a thing here that says something about whatever. I'm going to select OK, and I am going to save the script and come back to my Unity project and find my music player. So it has the music here. It has the script. It does not have the music, but it has the script that should be on there. So now we need to attach the music to this music player. So I'm going to open up my audio and find my music, move it down to the music player. It created the audio source automatically. I'm going to open it up and make sure that the loop and the play on awake is selected, and it is. So now an important part of the puzzle is to open your prefabs folder and drag that audio player, just as you did the level manager, into the prefabs. Fine, everything should be good. We're going to save and open our other scenes and add the music player to the other scenes in the hierarchy. So I'm just going to open here, add the music player, go back to my scenes, open the welcome. Oh, yes, I want to save. Open the welcome, prefabs, music player, save, open the scenes, win, prefabs, music player, save, and then I'm going to test. And what I'm going to test is the welcome scene, because if it plays from welcome to the game, all is well with the world. So I'm going to test, and I have to listen to my headphones because I do not have speakers. I hear my music, and it advanced to the game. Now if I wanted to test the wind scene, because we haven't added our lose scene yet. If I wanted to test, I'd go into the player script, change my number of pickup items to 1, and pick up 1 item and make sure the music played in the wind scene as well. That's it. Make sure you save your project, and see you in the next video.